We're talking about school, college and exams, but this video is also about life in general and managing stress. Hints and tips, things we don't often think about because we're so caught up in our worries. Not only our own worries, but other people's too. Stress can cause us to feel stuck, brought to a point where we can do nothing, which causes more stress. You know that feeling. We've all been there. It has been said we're like a computer, running simple and complex programs, lines of code. This is true. It's also true that we are the code writers, and often the lines of code need to be changed to suit our situation. So go ahead and rewrite the code to get better outcomes. It is also true with a computer, you only get out what you put in. The same applies to us in what we eat and drink to maintain healthy levels for our mind and body. You would never neglect your smartphone or connect it to a high voltage charger. So how much more should we look after our mind and body? You know that sluggish feeling, can't be bothered, just wanting to stay in bed, to switch off the rest of the world. Well, drink water, push yourself to go out, take a walk, even if it's just round the streets. Notice things around you. Stop occasionally. Notice the rest of the world going on around you. Trees that were here before you and will remain trees for many years to come. Get into a routine of walking. It refreshes the mind and the body and removes that sluggish feeling. It's not good to tie yourself up with revision work all day. Stop when you need to. Be careful of what else we take in. Just as food, drink and exercise affects our mind and body, so too will the data we consume. The level of content of data can seriously affect our thinking, creating negative thoughts. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. Nobody likes me. All this data seeps into us from many directions. Our smartphone, social media, Snapchat, TikTok, television soaps and TV series that seem to go on forever. A large part of our data consumption is self-talk. How we talk to ourselves is important. Be focused, remain positive, find solutions. There is always a way around obstacles. Compliment yourself when a job is done. Reward yourself, you deserve it. Then move on to the next job. Look after yourself. Your general hygiene and appearance helps you feel good about yourself. Shower often and wear the clothes that reflect who you are. Create a plan. Put it on a sheet of paper and put it somewhere that you will see it every day. Our mind works best when it has a plan and knows where it is going. Imagine the energy needed and stress it will cause, trying to make it up as we go along. The mind is like a computer and works best when it has a routine. Create routines in your life. You will feel much better, with less stress and more efficiency. It's not rocket science, you know. The whole universe is held in balance from the solar system, planets and stars, the seasons of the sun. So too, we need to balance our waking and sleeping hours, our time of study and play, our social hours and time of quiet reflection, some me time, thinking about what worked well and what could work better. Tasks such as study can be more effective over short periods, giving them our full attention. Then switch to rest or play. Plan. Schedule these blocks to help pace yourself through the day. With these things in place and in mind, you'll be more effective. You'll be able to give your best. You can only ever do your best, and your best is always good enough. There will be little time for worries because you will be more focused, more in control, full of the good things you have put there. If you would like the exam stress booklet that contains more information and helpful links, please search for the surgery on Facebook. Send us a direct message and we can send the booklet to you. Alternatively, call and give your email address to reception. Then the care coordinator can send you a copy of the booklet.